So I did, we've been doing active tracking with our drone, so it's he took some damage, hung up in a branch, and basically needs some repairs. So we got some, well, here, opened the package already, but we got we were able to order online, not actual OEM manufacturers, but pretty quick delivery, and it even came with a little battery here. So we're gonna repair our little guy. Mike Dronez is his name, Mike Dronez, and we're gonna see how it goes. So as you can see here, we have all our pieces laid out, and it's kind of windy today, so forgive me, but first things first is we have to remove this little piece here, and we're going to replace it. That is broken. We're trying to do this in field conditions. We're going to try and be careful here, and see how quickly we can get this done, but safely, most importantly. So there's that. That piece here, and now we did have a little bit of extras that we weren't expecting. That I'm guessing it's some kind of like, oh no, it's always nice when you get those fun little surprises. In field conditions, it's not always ideal, mate. Alright. Mike Dronez, I mean, I love this guy. He's there it is, and that looks like it right there. So and I should have removed these screws from the baggie beforehand. So here we go, we're going to try and do this without bumping it. We should just need 3 of them. I'm going to start with this one here. Oh, it's magnetic, mate. I love that. Here we go, little guy. Mike Dronez, everyone. Now you want to be careful not to over tighten these. Had that issue in the past. You can strip out the plastics. I haven't done this in a while. Dump me baggies out on my trunk. Feel like I'm under arrest or something. I swear, it's all legal, officer. I swear. Oh, hold on. All right. Snug. So we did our repairs in insert. It came with a software upgrade, satellite connection, QR codes. So it's a performance upgrade package, I guess. I didn't realize I paid for the upgrade package. So Mike Dronez just took off and I have no idea where he's going, but hopefully he comes back